Alright. If the FPV pilots are hobos, which they are, then the DJI FPV drone is not gonna be for them. But for all of us, the rest. The boring rest, which was flying the Mavic, Mavic Pro, Mavic Mini, Mavic Air, and so on, without this spectacular kind of fighting jet filming videos stuff. For you, for the FPV pilots, it's no fun. You can't go into your garage to print another frame, to add some propellers, to change some battery, where you have to stay for a few hours to charge it. You can't leave this battery alone because it's gonna blow up your home. It's gonna blow up your house. So all this fun is gone. Now you just get a box, you take the drone out of the box, and you start flying it. And you're gonna crash it anyway. I've crashed even the other DJI drones. Like I started with the Phantom, and then the Mavic, and then the Air. I've crashed them all. See my videos. So it's inevitable. But the FPV drone capacities in a Mavic drone with GPS and GLONASS, where it's gonna come back if you lose the connection and stuff like this. And even if you can't race, I mean, I'm not a racer. If I want to race, I'm gonna buy a FPV drone, like you FPV pilots. All the FPV pilots are crying now. They can't race with the DJI FPV because they have a half of second latency, but a nice strong signal where you can see every detail of your flight. So yeah, that's another reason the DJI FPV drone is not for you. But think about everybody else. Like me, I'm a traveler. I need a small drone. I mean, it's not gonna be like a Mavic Mini, but it's not gonna be so big as a Phantom. So think about, just put it in your backpack and you start, and in 2 seconds you're flying like 60 miles or something. Wow, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a lot of fun, I'm telling you. This is gonna be my next travel drone, I'm sure. Like, it's not even out, and I've already ordered it. Telling you the truth, not gonna lie. The second it's on the shop, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy the combo if it's possible, because the battery is like 20 minutes. I never flew more than 2 batteries, to be honest. I never need it by the other DJI drones, the third battery. Like, you are in a location, you have to take some shots. How much time do I have? I'm not traveling to film. I'm filming while I'm traveling, so I'm not gonna stay hours and hours to take shots of the same location. That's why 2 batteries was more than enough. And the batteries in the FPV drone packages are gonna be expensive. So even if I'm gonna sell one at first, when it's not so, it's gonna be a good deal to have the combo package. I'm sure about it. And there is like this joystick where you can fly with one hand. I mean, how cool is this then? It's like you're a pilot. You're sitting in the chopper, no, in the helicopter. You have this stick, and you're gonna fly with the wind, baby. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. All right. Let's see their presentation and let's order the DJI FPV drone and have some fun with it. I mean, I can understand the FPV pilots. Maybe they are a little bit jealous. Because DJI is stealing them the show. I mean, until now, they were the greatest. They have their printed models, their 3D printed models. I mean, they were the only ones to fly FPV, and now after the DJI released the FPV drone, everybody else is gonna be able to do it, like morons like me. Welcome in the club. Fly FPV. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some crazy footage, and there are going to be more crashes. I'm aware of this. I'm trying to fly responsible, but I know I'm not the only one flying, and we'll have to face the consequences, all of us. It's like this is the way it is. Anyway, let me turn left here. All right. It's a nice way here. It's a nice path. Pretty nice to ride today. A new FPV drone from DJI is opening a way of opportunities for different kind of people, which before maybe they weren't prepared to invest so much time into building these drones and stuff like this. This is the biggest advantage. It's coming in a box. You're taking it out from the box and you're flying it with the DJI goggles. I'm curious actually if they will have a possibility to show the flight on a mobile phone. I know the remote, it's not gonna be possible. I know you can put your phone on the remote like it was before, so it's gonna be tricky. I don't like freestyle without the goggles. Let's. Yeah, the price is a little bit high, but I mean, you have anything you want in a box, you can take it out and fly. That's the main advantage of all the DJI FPV drone. And that's why I think the FPV pilots are jealous on everybody else, because everybody else is going to be able to do it. Like me. Imagine that, flying FPV, getting some amazing shots. Woo! Like in the video games. I'm imagining it's like it should be like in the video games. Why not? Here we're gonna take left, and we're gonna see now. Woo! Now everybody's vlogging nowadays. I think now it's pretty normal to walk around with a camera on a stick. All the people are seeing you. Oh, you're vlogging too. Oh, cool. Cool. This is my place. Don't take my place where I vlog. Don't dare you. How dare you to take my place, my vlogging place. Anyway, so if you want to see my drone travel videos, then click on the links around. Leave a like maybe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye and choose. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. It's never worked, no? GoPro, stop recording. Ah. By the way, I'm Guide Angelo, and active traveling is my thing. I'm traveling around the world, sharing with you my experiences, but right now I'm grounded because of Corona lockdowns. So if you want to see some exotical destinations like Seychelles or Tahiti, or some winter destinations like skiing in the Dolomites, then click some suggested videos or through my... I'm very grateful that you took your time to watch this video. Leave a like maybe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye and choose.